Once you learn how to prepare your snack like this, you won't want to do it any other way. I'll start by seasoning the chicken breast cut into small cubes. First, add salt to taste. To a teaspoon of garlic powder, Calabrian pepper, black pepper to taste, lemon pepper, and now let's stir this up really well. Then add a tablespoon of tomato paste and a generous drizzle of olive oil and stir again. Once you've done that, fry the chicken and set it aside when it's golden brown. Next, in another frying pan, add 2 beaten eggs, a tortilla batter here on top of the eggs. Once it's cooked underneath, we'll turn it over. Once it's cooked, we'll put it on a plate and make a cut in our tortilla like this, starting from the center. We'll put mozzarella cheese on one side, cream cheese or curd cheese on the other, and add as much or as little as you like. Also add sliced cherry tomatoes. Now add some mashed avocado and then add the chicken. And you can make as many tortillas as you like this way. It's really delicious. It's very simple and easy to make, and it's a complete meal. You don't need anything else. Now let's add some lettuce. And then we'll close our snack like this. Then we'll put it in the frying pan and give it a light sear to melt the cheese. And it's ready to be served. Look how wonderful our snack turned out. Perfect. It's mouth-watering. It tasted incredible and was very simple and quick to make. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.